Hello, this is Running Robert, and today we're going to be talking about the Palatin Technologies Incorporated PTN Vyleesi deal summary for the 22nd of December 2023. There was a Vyleesi deal, so we're going to be looking at the bullish and the bearish parts of the deal and the company itself. So I generally follow small cap pharma. I do games. I do a little bit of everything on my channel. So if you like what I'm doing, hey, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot, and thank you. Disclaimer is I do own stock in the company. I'm an amateur investor, and any advice sitting should be followed up by your own due diligence. And information given is valid for today, the 22nd of December, and this slideshow will not be updated. We are waiting for trial results. When they come out, new slideshow. So we'll go from there. So what happened? So the company completed the sale of Vyleesi to Corset Pharma for $12 million upfront and $159 million in milestone payments. The company will receive those sales milestone payments contingent on annual net sales ranging between 15 and 200 million. There is no royalty discussed. They're pretty much a complete asset sale, so we no longer have control of the Vyleesi asset. So is this good? Well, at first I did not like the deal based on the upfront payment and completely selling the asset. Yeah. But what would help us know is those milestone payments. The company's already on track for 15 million in net sales, and we had 4 million last quarter. The question is, how much is that milestone? And is there one at 25 million in net sales? And how much of that would that milestone be? Which really makes a big difference. So let's say, for example, and these are only examples, we get a 4 million milestone at each, 15, which we automatically get, and 25, which I think with any sales, you could easily get 25 million in net sales for a year. That could be up to 8 million for 2024, which would be slightly less than maybe if we continued to keep the asset, but it would cost us less. So it's going to be decent. Which means one of the big things, though, it does help for us. We do not have to raise any more cash until the dry eye trial is complete, or they might wait until the UC trial is also complete at the same point. Though I think after the dry eye is positive, it's going to go well. So overall, doesn't matter, and it really, not really. Vyleesi is though it's helpful, it's not going to save the company. Based on the numbers, we get between 8 and 10 in net revenue for 2024. That's based on previous videos I've had looking at the sales growth, everything like that, which would help the bottom line, but doesn't really help the company get through all the clinical trials without a cash raise. So if you look at the number and we get decent milestone payments for 2024, it might provide the company with a quick 20 million. And that might be better than waiting on that 2 to 3 million of net revenue per quarter, which might take, a year and a half to two, something like that. And then just for your information, since this is a complete asset sale, I know we had a weight loss trial going on for it. I did not really put any stock in this because there's so many good weight loss drugs out there. I do not see it being able to compete with the companies that are out there. And even with a partner, I just don't see it compete. It probably would help us get to 200 million quicker, but I don't see it as a really helpful asset for that. So again, the deal isn't horrible, but it really isn't good either. So it's definitely most people I think have soured on it. The 12 million will allow us to get through quarter 1, 2024 and into quarter 2, which is when we should have two data sets, of course, dry eye and the UC. And in all honesty, I do expect a cash raise with positive results, and I would look to sell and then rebuy after the dilution. So based on the money that they got from this, they still do not have enough money to get through all of 2024. There will need to be a cash raise. It might not be as big, or it might be the same. Who knows? But I do believe there's going to be a cash raise after that, and then we will kind of go from there and look at how we're doing. So hopefully this helped kind of explain what the deal was and maybe gave you a little bit more perspective if it's good or bad so you can decide for yourself. But thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.